Hi, I'm Eddie Oberoi, your Silicon Valley real estate broker. Proud to present another listing I have here in Fremont. You're gonna like this one. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, single story, single family home. And I love the location. You're just a few minutes away from Tesla, Facebook, Google. The couple who's selling this property, they raised their family here, they raised their kids, and it's such a beautiful neighborhood, very family oriented. So I can't wait to show you this property. Let's take a look. Well, thank you so much for taking the tour. As you saw, it's a gorgeous property. Seller did a great job with the renovations. I loved the way the kitchen and the bathrooms turned out. If you have any questions, reach out to me. And I look forward to seeing you at my mega open house this Saturday. We're gonna have a live band, music, and drinks. So I look forward to seeing you there. Take care.